both Murphy and Edwards. Edwards really used her pace, really used her confidence. We see her again, just onto the ball, incredibly graceful with everything she does.
Here we go with a sweep play, split back out, and actually fakes it. There was a wrapper coming around. We missed it earlier.
Definitely the MVP in this grade for me is Collier. We just seen Edwards with her grace, her style, her pace, do what she's done, and there we have it. With a great dot down, Collier. The player I was just throwing chocolates to. Just a late cut. Good work there from 10. Another key player is the 10 from Waikato. Jessie Rayner. 3 sets, 3 touchdowns, George.
I look down, I look up, and it's touchdown. The Bunnings Warehouse replay. Here we go. Pick fakes it with the 33 fake. There's the plus going the short side, flicks out into the holes.
And here she is. Straight into it. All numbers on the outside as they look to go to the right. Great setup for that play in the touch before, George.
Go with the Bunnings Warehouse replay. Let's see this beauty again. Nice pass. They've been working on their passes. Nice dump. Nice pass to the wicket, and an even better finish there.
Yeah, Peter Walters, you may have played a game of touch or two against or with both of them.
I'll tell you what, with those two names in there, you're not going to go lost or looking for knowledge-wise. And speaking of knowledge, we've got tries and touchdowns galore coming for Waikato. Number 13, put a dotting down. Bunnings Warehouse with the sweep, looks out long.
Tamsin McNamara Charlatan. She's got on the outside of the link defender. She's trying to hustle back and get her. Waikato though, Edwards back to the right, faked left. Edwards and Murphy again in tandem. Was it a touch? Oof. Great work there from Murphy and Edwards, co-captains George. Just a simple try in the middle.
Yeah, good footwork. Pick once again, pass. Nice footwork. Looks again, gets number 4 working left to right and board down. Touch cord, backing more than the New Zealand smoke-free policies at the moment. So let's see if Bay of Plenty can get back into action.
Oh, great work. Just speed onto the ball from the number 7 from Waikato. Malia Cricket-Crosby. There's really nothing on. It's just her injection of pace when she come onto that ball. Got into a channel defences where it's defences at 6s and 7s. They hit their back to her. She just goes straight through for probably one of the easiest touchdowns. Nice yards from Bay. They've definitely picked this up as Collier looks to go inside. Gets the netball pass off to the side. Touch was made. Momentum, key part of this try, George. Just carrying that momentum through from their defensive end. As we see Collier normally sets them up on together. This is just a scary duo, just with all the options to them. Edwards off her left, as we see her there. She's manipulating the 11, taking her on the outside, creating that space inside. Just unfortunately a little bit disconnected there from the number 1. Way through again, another one, her great skills, her proactive communication, trying to give the non-offending team every advantage they can. Into work, she can do yards, she can score touchdowns.
Oh, she's been dominant. She's her speed is exceptional. You can't keep up with that. And then when you finish with a dive like that, coming out that so fast out the gates to bring back the sprints, at least for the youth nationals. What do you think, Whānau Mahe out there? You reckon it should happen? Bring these sprints back for these young rangatahi, show their goods out here on the finals field?
Oh, underneath, but the ball was down first. We see it here for ourselves on the Bunnings Warehouse replay. Little 33 play, steps off her left, goes under. We see the comms in their box. Girls still heads really high. They're proud, they're resilient. Oh, same move. Keep milking to the cow till it stops filling the bucket. Great work from the number 8. Again, the exact same carbon copy of the last try from Haggy. Just pace onto the ball. Defence had no chance to adjust, George.
Māori Active.